Right now you are at the Old Goa for the 18th exposition. So how was your experience this time visiting?
I've been here before, I've been for the exposition before, and all I can say is it's very different this time. The setup was so good. They have been so considerate even while standing in the queue. Before we could stand in the queue, they were telling it's gonna take some time, it's gonna take some hours. So they're taking a lot of attention of people and also telling them if you want to go a little away and come back later, that is also okay. Zagya Zagyani Mode, there is water provision, there are biscuits, there are things served. So they are very caring and they are not rude to people, all these volunteers over here. So the whole experience of standing in a queue was actually cumbersome. I've been standing for almost 12.5 hours. But I must say it all pays off when you enter the church. The moment you enter, it's so blissful. It's a no phone zone, so you are disconnected. Music and everything, and then you reach to the main part when you see St. Francis Xavier, and it is worth the wait. All I can say is this time it's very different. This time it's very new experience, and I'm very happy that I came.
Previously also you have been visited many times, fish mass and this thing. How was that different from this time?
This is way more different. All I could say is the standards, the cleanliness, the way people are moving. Earlier or before, it's a bit of a chaos because everyone moves here and there. But the way the arrangements have been made this time, I felt like I was not in Goa. In fact, not in India. I was somewhere far. So very organized. While walking even through the road, I could see that things were very clean. The queues were being maintained, and a lot of people were behind this. They were coming back and forth and saying that okay, fine, stand in the queue and get things done. So I can say that this experience is totally unique. I've been here so many times. Even the previous exposition, I've been there, and there was a different experience. But this was really amazing.
Any of your memories associated with Old Goa which you like to share with us?
I think this church has been very special for me. In my 10th standard, I've stayed here as part of my school retreat, and when I walked here, the memories just got refreshed through. And this church holds a lot of significance and special moments for me. So. Since I was a kid, every year we used to come visit here before the feast, after the feast, whenever possible. So this holds a very special memory. I've been practicing here as a singer, as a dancer, as a musician. I've come here many times, and all I can say is every time it's amazing, it's beautiful. And this time too, it's amazing.
Were you there for the first day for the procession of St. Francis Xavier?
No, I had to miss it because I had work and other priorities. But I've seen it on social media and so on. In fact, I was just looking at the carriage, and I must say a lot of work has gone through, and it is really special this time.
Your full name and you're from which place?
Yeah, I'm Serino Gudino. I'm from Shiroda, Honda.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.